10 anti-inflammatory foods to eat after tummy tuck, support healing, reduce swelling, and recover faster through food. After a tummy tuck, your body enters a delicate phase of healing. While rest and proper medical care are essential, the food you eat plays a powerful role in speeding up recovery. Inflammation is a natural response after surgery, but too much of it can slow healing and cause discomfort. By choosing foods that fight inflammation, you can help your body heal faster, reduce swelling, and feel better overall. Here are 10 anti-inflammatory foods that are especially helpful during your post-tummy tuck recovery. 1. Salmon. This oily fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and promote tissue repair. Grilled or baked salmon is easy to digest and full of healing nutrients. 2. Blueberries. Packed with antioxidants, blueberries help reduce damage caused by stress in the body. Their natural compounds calm inflammation and support your immune system. 3. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil contains oleocanthal, a compound with strong anti-inflammatory effects. Use it as a salad dressing or drizzle over steamed vegetables. 4. Turmeric. Known for its bright yellow color, turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Add it to soups, teas, or warm milk for extra support. 5. Spinach. This leafy green is full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Spinach helps lower inflammation and supports overall healing. Add it to omelets, smoothies, or stir-fries. 6. Pineapple. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps reduce swelling and bruising. Enjoy it fresh or blended into a smoothie. 7. Chia seeds. These tiny seeds are full of plant-based omega-3s. They help reduce inflammation and support digestive health. Soak them in yogurt or add to your morning smoothie. 8. Ginger. Ginger calms inflammation and helps with digestion. Drink ginger tea or add fresh ginger to soups and stir-fries. 9. Avocados. Rich in healthy fats and antioxidants, avocados help the body repair itself. They're easy to add to toast, salads, or smoothies. 10. Green tea. Green tea is full of antioxidants that lower inflammation and support the immune system. A warm cup in the morning or afternoon can be both calming and healing. What you eat after a tummy tuck can make a big difference in how you feel and how fast you heal. These anti-inflammatory foods are not only nutritious but also work quietly in the background to support your recovery. Add them to your daily meals to help your body heal from the inside out. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.